Hi there. Today we are going to be talking about our 5 senses. Let's go ahead and list them. We have taste, touch, seeing, sight, hearing, and smell. Now, I would like for you to think about how can you use your senses, your 5 senses, to help you write. So how can you use the senses to help you write a poem or a story or just anything? Alright, if you couldn't think of anything, then that's okay because we're about to listen to a little video with Moby and Mia, and they're going to explain how we can use our senses to help us with our writing.
I'm done. You want to see? I know, it looks different, but I'm painting too. These words all describe the flowers. I painted a picture with words. Get it? Well, what I mean is that you can use your senses to write about something. What are senses?
Let's go ahead and list our 5 senses real quick. Sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing. Now, you don't have to name your senses in order. There is no order as long as you just name the 5.
Wow, look at that bright orange butterfly. When you see something, use one of the 5 senses. There's also touch. Like this tree is dry and bumpy, and it feels really rough. And there's taste. First apple tastes juicy and sweet, and it's crunchy too. And then there's smell. My apple smells sweet, but you smell like dirty socks. Let's see. There are things that you see, touch, taste, smell, and, oh right, here, it's Senor Maurice. Shh, you guys are really loud. How can you write with your senses? Whenever I write
Remember, that was the question I asked you earlier. How can we write using our senses? So Mia and Moby are going to explain how they would write using their senses. So make sure you're listening very well.
About something, I concentrate on everything I see, touch, taste, smell, and hear. I take notes and I write down words that I want to use. Sometimes I close my eyes so I can really concentrate and not let my mind wander off. Stop. I'm concentrating. I can hear all the people yelling and laughing on the rides. I can smell sugary cotton candy and it's making my mouth water. I can feel the warm wind blow on my face. And I can see shiny, bright balloons. Sometimes I concentrate on only one sense if I think it's really important. Like, I'll focus on how Grandpa's apple pie tastes, with the crunchy crust and the sweet apples and the soft, cold ice cream. I hope my description tasted good. Why should you write with the senses? I guess it helps your reader's imagination if you describe things. Describing words are called adjectives. They make your writing come to life. Like, you can write, the South Pole is a cold place. I know, pretty boring. Or you could write, in the South Pole, a thick white blanket of snow and ice covers the land. Freezing winds blow across the icebergs to chill your face until it turns numb. See? When you describe with your senses, it can feel really real. Moby, quick. We better write about something warm. The hot sun burns brightly in the sky and warms my skin. The hard ground is dry and cracked, and my throat is thirsty for water. I guess it's too warm, huh? Okay. The sun shines through the window, and the classroom is warm and cozy. It smells like sweet flowers and wet paint.
Do you see how Mia's using her senses to describe what she sees and what she smells? Okay, so here in a little bit we're going to write a quick little poem together. Okay, right here I have an outline for a sensory poem. Sensory poems talks about what we hear, see, feel, taste, and smell. So what I'd like to do is, since Mia and Moby were at the carnival, kind of talk about what they were doing at the carnival and their senses that they noticed. So I remember Mia saying she heard laughter. So my first one is going to be I hear laughing. Okay? What was something that Mia saw at the carnival? Do you remember there was a part in the middle of the video where she was really concentrating and she was talking about what she heard, what she saw, what she felt, taste, smell, right? So one of the things that she saw was bright balloons. Okay, what was something that she felt? She felt the warm wind on her face. Okay, what was something that she tasted? Or what's something that you can taste at a carnival? You can taste cold ice cream, right? What was something that Mia smelt at the carnival? She smelled sugary cotton candy. She smelled sugary cotton candy. So this right here is a sensory poem. We talk about all 5 senses, and usually whenever we're learning about how to write sensory poems, we start off with the beginning of our sentence. We start off with I hear, I see, I feel, I taste, and I smell. And we usually have something we're writing about. So we're writing about a carnival, but you could write about the ocean. You can write about the movies. What do you hear at the movies? What do you see, feel, taste, smell? If you're at the beach, what do you hear, see, feel, taste, smell? Okay, so this is what a little sensory poem looks like, and we'll focus on this a little bit more tomorrow. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed learning about our 5 senses and how you can use your senses to write.